At New Journey Coaching, we know that time is your most valuable resource. That's why we provide practical strategies to help you prioritize, plan, and stay productive every single day. Financial freedom begins with understanding your finances. From budgeting basics to expense management, we'll help you take control of your money and build a stable future. At New Journey Coaching, we believe every problem is an opportunity. With critical thinking and practical approaches, we'll empower you to overcome challenges and grow stronger in the process. Good communication transforms relationships and builds understanding. We'll teach you to listen actively, speak with confidence, and resolve conflicts with respect and clarity. According to Pele, success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, and love for what you do. At New Journey Coaching, we're not just here to provide advice, we're here to help you build a brighter future. Choose us to guide you on your journey to growth, purpose, and empowerment. We're here to support you every step of the way. Reach out to New Journey Coaching to begin your transformation.